everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This is a project in its second year. This was created by Steph Lyons and Delyn. Delyn is Outward Processing here on YouTube. I'm going to have both of those gorgeous ladies listed down below. Not lifted, listed down below. And I think I hear my dog coming back. This project started on January 10 and it goes to December 10. There's my little Fuzz. Is he going to come over and show his face? I don't know if you're going to be able to see him. Hi, big guy. He doesn't usually come see me too much anymore while I'm filming. I don't know if it's the lights or what that makes him stay away, but yeah, I'm going to appreciate the fact that he came in to visit his mommy. Hi, big guy. Hi. Anyway, let's get back to this update. This project is basically for makeup that is non-powder because cream, gel, liquid products, they all go bad faster than their powder counterparts. So this project is for you to really get use out of your products. I cannot talk. I'm so distracted by my dog. You know, so that they don't go bad. You want to get them used up or get some usage on them before they go bad. So now that I have like no brain cells left because I'm like distracted by dogs. Dogs are distracted by squirrels and Jessica is distracted by a dog. Oh, that's my good boy. He's laying down like right over there, just staring at me while I film. So yeah, as of the last update, I have only had one goal met. I haven't even like finished anything in this project yet, which is sad. But I did meet a goal, and that was like a usage, a certain number of grams usage on a primer. And other than that, nada, zippo zilch. But I'm happy to say I actually have a real, true, honest God empty of this update. I am so excited. I'm so excited. And it's this crazy eyeliner. I don't know why it's called Puppy, but it is. It is a ColourPop BFF cream gel liner. It is done. It is done. It is done. I can't get anything else out of it. There's nothing left to use in this bad boy. I didn't hate it. I didn't love it. Like the color, looking at it, is absolutely gorgeous. It does not work well on my eyes. I tried to use it in my waterline and it made me look like I was dying or like deathly ill, which is not a good look, by the way. I've used it as a little bit of a base, like mix it with some of my eye primer as a base when I'm doing orange looks. I've actually used it as a lip liner and it works really well as that, but it did not work well as a regular eyeliner for me. So I'm glad it is done, and you know, I don't have to think about that anymore. And I have a cream product out. I don't know whose voice I'm using today. So let me go through all of the stuff that I still have in, and then I'm going to roll in a product for usage because I feel like that's the way to go for the rest of this project because I have hard stuff that is in here that I am attempting to finish. So I feel like I should have at least one product that just a little bit of usage, and then I can, you know, roll things in and out as I feel like it. And these updates won't be quite as boring. Of course, they're entertaining with me trying to like use what few brain cells I have left with my dog as a distraction. All right, first one is going to be the Maybelline Color Drama Lip Paint Stripped Down. This was and still is at 11 grams. I haven't used it a whole lot because I was trying to finish a liquid lipstick that was very similar in color, and you know, I needed to get something out, and that one had the most usage. So now that that one's done, this one should hopefully get a little bit more usage. Crossing my fingers on that one. This next one, I swear I wear it frequently, and I'm wearing it now, and it won't die. There's still plenty of product in this. It's probably going to take me all stinking year to get this one done. This is the Buxom Wine Me Liquid Lipstick, and yeah, the stopper's been out for like couple months, but look at the wand. There's still like a ton on the wand, which means there's still a ton down in there, and yeah, it's gonna take forever. I'll be lucky to finish that this year. The next one is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. It is the clear, waxy kind of lip liner, and I have I didn't mark it, but I don't know if there is a ton of usage. It's like pretty much it's trying to fall out. Pretty much where it was prior to this, but I have actually started using it again. I've been using it on my eyebrows. It has been working very well because I've been using like powder instead of like a pomade or like a pencil on my brows, and sometimes you get fallout. It doesn't stick. It's not good. So I just do like the tiniest little layer of this over my eyebrows, then put the powder on. Powder sticks great, and then I use my brow gel. Perfect combo for me to get this used up. Perfect. Love it. All right, moving on to the last one, which is the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in On the Fly. I did just refresh this one. Oh, it's all sunk in. This is what she's looking like right now. I feel like I use it, and even though like the sides are starting to move this way and the center starting to move that way, it's not super obvious progress like it was when I was really working it over a little bit, but I'm getting there. I do frequently use this, and I actually like to use this not as like a one color look, because I always blend out my my crease with a color, but I will put this all over my lid and blend it out, and then I will just kind of soften it with like a powder kind of transition in the same like a similar color to this, and it's a very simple look, and on days that I'm busy, it's perfect. It helps if I put the lid on correctly. I'm having issues today. I'm just going to keep on working on it, and hopefully it will get done this year. If it doesn't, I'm not going to be upset, because I really do love this particular color. I really like the Jelly Much, and I know they're kind of like love it or hate it, and I just love them. So yeah, I'm just going to keep working on it. All right, speaking of Jelly Much, that is what I'm going to roll in for this particular update, because I like them, and I just got a bunch of new ones. And if you didn't see that haul, well, I will try to remember to put it in the cards, but like I don't think I've put a card up there in like a year and a half, so I wouldn't count on it. But it's been within like the last week or so. I am going to be putting in the ColourPop Jelly Much in Sage bundle. Looks like that right there. It is super pretty. I'm going to swatch it for you. It looks kind of beigey, but it has got a teal glitter shift. And I just refreshed it with eye drops, so tiny little swatch right there. I don't know if it's going to pick up the teal glitters in it. It is so pretty. It is going to make such a lovely topper that, yeah. I have some shades that I'm working on right now that are not my favorite, and I'm hoping that having another topper, a different topper in here that has like some color to it, it's going to help me get through the shades that I really don't want to work on but need to get done. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in for 5 uses. Hopefully I will have that done by the next update, and then I will either roll in like another Jelly Much or a Super Shock or one of the eyeshadow sticks that I got in the ColourPop haul. I think I might just cycle through some of the new stuff that I just got, because I use a lot of old stuff, and I want to play with some of the new stuff without jeopardizing my progress on the other stuff that I'm trying to finish up. So I hope that makes sense, and I think it's going to be a lot more fun for me, and the updates will be a lot more fun for you guys, because something will actually be happening. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I have been chatty way too long. Definitely go check out Steph and Delyn and everyone else that has joined in. They're down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.